Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving from Innswood to Spanish Town. We are on the Old Harbor Main Road heading towards Spanish Town. Actually, we're going to go into Innswood and then Spanish Town. Well, seems as if they're doing some work here. I'm not sure. I haven't heard of any plans to widen this road, but they are definitely digging down the bank. I don't think it's to widen the road though. Maybe it's for drainage or something. To widen this road would create a problem because it would compete. This road will be considered a competing road to the highway. So expanding this road would trigger the non-compete clause that's associated with the highway. So I don't think it's a case to widen this road. So before the highway was open, this was the main road, or this still is the main road, between Spanish Town and Old Harbor. On the right is the Jamaica Boilers head office. They are the best dressed chicken company brand in Jamaica. They sell chicken basically. Jamaica Boilers. Very nice facility the way it looks. It looks like a farm. Very nicely done. think that's the Bernard Lodge development over on the right that we just passed. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. This is Chedwin Park on the right, which is our cricket grounds. This is now Innswood. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.